Hello everyone and welcome back to Big Boy Automations. We are on day 18 already of learning n8n in a year. This one's going to be quite a quick one and more of a quick how-to. So common question, and I get it quite a bit, is I keep seeing this little update symbol on my self-hosted workflow on our self-hosted n8n. How do I update it? So if you followed my other videos, you go to your render dashboard, which you should now have access to, and hopefully you've set it up the way that I've set it up and you give it a disk space like this, so disk usage. In here, you should have your mount path of /home/node. Now this is very important. If you update and deploy a new version and this isn't set up the way it is, you will lose all of your workflows that you've built. So please make sure that you've got this set up, that mount path is correct before you do this, because you will lose everything. So just to be clear, let me just save this. Here's your workflows, right? Or the ones that we've been practicing on. We need to update our n8n. Come over to render. Make sure that your disk space is set up with /home/node. That is what it needs. We're going to go over to manual deploy and we're going to say deploy latest reference. That will kick off your logs and it will start deploying the new or the latest version of n8n in Docker. Should be kicking off anyway. It's saying that it's doing it. I will pause and come back to you when it's actually deploying. Okay, it's kicked into it now. So I had to do it again for some reason. So it's starting the service. And it's deploying again. So it's in progress. So you should see something like this. I will pause again. Sorry, just because there's no point waiting to watch this, but you'll see what happens. So now we have finally deployed. We can see that our service is live and we're accessible. So if we go back to the your instance URL and give it a refresh, everything should load. We've now got the updates and everything should still be in there from your workflows that you've saved over the time that we've been learning. So remember, please make sure that your disk is in place, your home nodes in place, because you will lose everything if you update. So do not do this. If that's not in place, you'll have to either download the JSON of each one, do it, do another deployment where it has got this space, and then paste it in. So just make sure you store your JSON outputs. How to do that is if you come in here, go to any of the workflows that you've kept or stored, and download. So you can download it, and then if you make a new workflow, so that one just had a webhook in, but if you have a new workflow, you import from file. You can't see the download screen, but you'll have a JSON file that will be named after what your workflow was. Import it and it will import your workflow, and then obviously name it what you want, save it, etc. And you'll have all your workflows, but just make sure you got your disk space there when you do it again, if you need to. So day 18 was a quick one, a quick update to make sure that we're keeping our n8n instance as up to date as possible, with all the new nodes and all error handles and bugs and etc. So if you've got any questions, add them in the comments and I'll try and help you. And please subscribe, please like, please comment, get involved. And thank you.